Chelsea. No, this is Chelsea's. This is yours. Here, honey, right here. Zulu. Get it. What is it? Get it. What's in there? Zulu, what is that? What is that? What's in there? Let me see. What is that? Oh, a new coat. A new coat for you. You want it, huh? Just put it on. Come here, Mama, put it on you.
It's a regular parka.
Yep.
It's got the snorkel hood.
There. Show the big camera. Show the camera.
Come here. Aren't you excited? Come here. Zulu, come. At our book, girl, all the way. Zulu, come.
Oh, come on.
Boy, she loves it.
Go by Daddy. Go.
Okay, come here.
Go by Daddy, honey. Yeah, girl.
Yeah, girl. At least it's not a pink bunny rabbit suit.
Chelsea, girl, come here. Here, Chelsea, girl. Look at Mama got for you. Look at this, Chelsea. Oh. Come here, Chelsea. Come here. There's a girl. There. There's a girl. There. There, girl. Eat it. You just pull it apart. What's in there? What's that? What is that? Whoa! Let me see. Oh, funny little thing. Oh! Two squeakers. What is that?
What do you got? Let me see it.
Show Daddy what you got.
Zulu, bring it here.
I'm just gonna go hide it in her bed. Hey, Chels.
Zulu, bring it here.
What you got? Show Daddy what you got. Show him. What is that? You gonna hide it?
Arr.
Yeah, Chelsea girl. Yeah.
What's that squeaking in the corner?
Zulu, what is that? Zulu.
Zulu, what's this?
You're supposed to bring your toy with you.
Where is it? Where's your toy?
I don't know what we're gonna call that thing.
I didn't even see it. What's all that noise back there? Her first Christmas. Zulu, where's the chippy? Where's the chippy? Arr, arr.
Hi, Zulu. Hi, Zulu. Where are you?